Hey everyone, it's Dylan with Rogue Van Company again, and on this video I'm going to be talking to you about all our cool stuff we've got from S&B Filters, starting with this snorkel raised air intake. We're stoked to have this on our van, not just because it sounds cool, but also because it does raise the air intake of the engine quite high, as you can see, which is going to help us out when we're going off-road and not sucking up too much dust generated from any other vehicles in front of us. But also it just gives you that better peace of mind when you're going through any kind of creek crossing or river crossing, or even sometimes the puddles are a little bit bigger than you think and they could splash up into your air intake. But this is basically just our cheapest insurance policy against that. And yeah, we're stoked. S&B have also developed water and fuel tanks to fit under the Sprinter. The water tanks can be utilised as grey, black or fresh. We've got a extended diesel fuel tank in this van, which is a massive increase to 47 gallons, which is basically double the size of the standard tank. What that means is that you can effectively drive twice as far between fills. The only drawback of that is really waiting to fill it back up at the pump. It's going to take twice as long. And as for the water side of things, we opted to go for a spare wheel replacement tank from S&B. They've done a really good job again, utilising all the available space that's under the van, like they can get the tank in there. Yes, we had to remove the spare wheel from its standard location, but we had to do that anyway because we fitted larger tyres. And then moving the spare wheel to the back door makes it more accessible anyway, especially if you're off-road or whatnot. Much like the fuel tank, they've done a really good job, and what I believe is an industry-leading 37 gallons of fresh water tank, which really gives you more flexibility in your trip planning and your camping style. Like, you could go off-grid further for longer, or you just want to have a longer shower. Having that added freshwater capacity really can change things for you. If you're interested in any of the S&B products, we retail and fit all of them in-house. Just give us a call, email us, or even DM on Instagram, and we'll be keen to help you out. And if you're interested to see more about this epic van build that we've got going into SEMA, you can like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for the next installment. If you want your car to go snorkeling and experience the Great Barrier Reef, then you're definitely going to have to fit one of these. For those of you that have actually had the privilege of going snorkeling, especially somewhere like the Great Barrier Reef, and you really want your van to experience that too, then it starts with this. Next time we have something that threatens us like Hurricane Hilary and you're worried about rising sea levels, raising your air intake 10 feet off the ground is really going to help you navigate those dangerous conditions.